Hello and welcome to Smitty's. Today I'm going to start a series and I'm going to call it the You Suck series. It's not to be insulting, just to have fun at it, I guess you can say. So it's going to be all about saw sharpening. Everything on this series is going to be nothing but saw sharpening. So I work on saws all the time. I'm constantly seeing mistakes made with the sharpening, and every time I get the chance, I'm going to show the mistakes. Chainsaw sharpening is one of the most popular YouTube video, and it's nothing but how-to videos everywhere. Well, I'm going to show you evidence of people making mistakes. So every time I get a chance, or every time I see one, I'm going to do a quick video. I'll throw it on the You Suck sharpening series, and follow along, and you'll get to see all sorts of mistakes that individuals make when sharpening. Maybe you can learn from some of the mistakes. Now, if you're new to the channel, we do a lot of saw repair, we do some porting, a lot of troubleshooting, if you know what I mean, and we work on mostly vintage chainsaws. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that alarm, and join in for the fun. Alrighty, so let's see what I got going on the You Suck video series today. Alrighty, so we are looking at two Homelight chainsaw bars, and we are going to show you a perfect example of a You Suck situation. Alrighty, they are both Homelight. They are both the same size, but we're going to get to see one that's been taken care of and one that has not. Let's get on with this. So what you're looking at here is these rails. You can see there's a little bit of a lip there, but it's not severe. You can see down the groove. It's nice and even. No serious chunks of metal missing. This is a good example of a well taken care of chainsaw bar. Not abused. All right. Now let's take a look at this chainsaw bar. And as you can see, it is severely worn out and damaged. Let me put my finger here just to give you perspective. If your bar begins to look anything like this, then you suck. This will cause damage to your chainsaw itself. It is so bad. Let's look down in the groove. Look at that lip. It's all bent over. There's pieces missing. And again, like I said, if your bar looks like this, then you suck. This is not the way a chainsaw bar is supposed to look. Now, you might ask, what do you do to fix that? Well, to be honest, this one's so bad it's not fixable. This is beyond repair, this one. Now, this other one, it's in great shape. It actually doesn't need any attention in order to use it at the moment. But there are things you do to take care of your bars. Now, this isn't a video to show you how to fix this. Fix your chainsaw bar. This is a video to show you what's wrong. So if your chainsaw bar looks like this, then I'm sorry to say, but you suck. It's the way it is. stick around, and as time goes on, we'll be showing you how to fix this stuff up properly. Proper bar maintenance will keep your chainsaw cutting straight. There is a common mistake out there that if the chainsaw is cutting crooked, it's from the chain being too sharp on one side. It's partially true. A lot of the times it's because the bar is wore out incorrectly. It's worn uneven. If you want to see a how-to repair video, make sure you subscribe and post a comment. Alrighty, later.